Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update number 225 for Monday, 1st of June 2026. We're back after a few weeks away. I was up in the Highlands of Scotland, driving around there, and of course, then we had the Whitsun holiday here. I hope you are all well. I hope you've enjoyed a good couple of weeks. I hope you're ready for the start of a new month and what undoubtedly will be another interesting week and an interesting month and an interesting quarter in an interesting year. Um, if you're joining us for the first time, the Monday Market Update is just that. It is me flying through as much as I can share with you over the next 25 to 30 minutes, looking at strength and weakness within FX indices and commodities markets, taking a look at a few charts of interest that you might want to add to your watch list, and then having a look at live markets. It is not a signal service. It's not trade recommendations. It is just me sharing with you what I'm looking at the moment, which might be of relevance or of interest to yourselves. As always, you are very welcome here, but just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading decisions. And if you want a little bit more deeper help and support in your own trading, you can join the VTP Trader Accountability Group, which is all about building discipline, accountability, and consistency in your trading business. You can use that QR code there, okay, or as the bit.ly code there, or just ping me if you've got any questions about joining us for that. Um, Another stock which has been enjoying a good run and has been a favorite of mine for a while. Okay, RKLB, Rocket Labs. All right, so clues in the name. All right, they make rockets, and of course with the you've got the SpaceX IPO in I think it's the 12th of June. So once again, middle of this month. All right, that's got the whole well, A, it's got the market excited, but B, it is dragging up everything that is remotely associated with space and of course Rocket Lab, who was already doing pretty well. All right, I've had pieces of this in the past myself, but as you can see, that has also done really, really well out of it. Okay, and it's been a favorite of mine for a while. All right, once again, here it bounced lovely off the 50 period moving average. It's here. I was a bit frustrated. I didn't get enough to get my second position because I thought it would come back to the 50 again, and it didn't, and it just basically shot off, and then we came back down again. Okay, and the pullback, and there you can see we've gone from what's that, $60 to $150 over the last couple of months. That's just quite some move, isn't it? Just some astounding, absolutely astounding move there. So Rocket Lab, the company, it continues to expand. Okay, it's moving beyond launches into things like higher margin space systems and also satellite infrastructure. And then, with you've got government and defense contract, all right, that sort of strengthens the firm's revenues. And investors are kind of interested in their Neutron rocket program, right? And that being a kind of a bit of a catalyst for future growth. So, it's happy days at Rocket Lab. Okay, would I be buying it up here at 150? No, I wouldn't. I'm just buying all-time highs. It's not my style. I know some people love doing that and are very good at it. That's not me. I know I'm a pullback guy. All right, that's my style. Okay, but that has been quite some move. And as I said, SpaceX is dragging everything up, and you can see exactly how that has affected Rocket Labs.